Man, look, dude, everybody mad at me because I got country rap star glasses, man. I got a windshield on my face. What you got? Huh? These glasses are made by Can-Am. Because I'm a real country boy. That's right. I got the NASCAR 98 glasses. I'm traveling down the road and I'm flirting with disaster. I'm fucking Sterling Marlin, fucking goddamn Terry Labonte. Man, right up, Upchurch, man, you out of control, dude. Somebody needs to help us, man. I heard he's addicted to milk. I mean, y'all just gonna let him fail like this and crumble? I mean, what if he stops and gets eggs too? I mean, damn, he's already got a 1/1/16 chin growing. Cause I'm a country boy, got 44 four-wheel drives. Some Can-Ams that ain't flipped on their side. I paved the street on country roads, and I can show you where to lick a toad, cause I'm a country boy. There's Brian doing cutting grass. Yeah, he's doing cutting. Hey, you need gas? Hey, that thing got gas in it. Yeah. Alright then. I got him tore up, son. With my little double chin I got going on. Look, I look like a drill sergeant from Desert Storm out here fucking your up. I ain't even got all my bottom teeth, man. All y'all little country rappers doing your talking. Y'all gonna be crying when I start making fun of you. And it goes on for 6 months. I don't mention your name. Like that one, what's his name? The one that dresses like Undertaker every fucking day, even though it's 100 degrees outside. Looking like a little scabby muffin man. I knew something was up with the one that dresses like Undertaker, for sure. As soon as he got to my house, when I first met him, he's like, you see my pigtails? I've been growing them for 7 years. They're long, ain't they? I'm like, I don't give a about your hair. What you talking about? Where the you heifers meet up and go to the studio at? Under the power lines near a nuclear plant? Y'all malfunctioning, ain't you? The one that looks like Undertaker growing Rapunzel hair. The female who drives diesel trucks, her neck is growing more neck muscles on top of her neck. She's morphing, for God's sakes. She's morphing. Look, man, if you a dude, and you stroke one side of your hair, and you got, like, perfectly braided Pocahontas pigtails, you're just stroking the and looking at everybody in the room going, I just love music. We're kicking you the out. Oh, dude, Undertaker's lives, great. They're wonderful. I love watching them. He's just stroking that hair, dude. He's stroking the out of it. The split ends are like curling up, like they're burning from friction. Stroking them on the internet, talking about, I think the music industry is blocking people or something. I can't have nothing pop. You have a song called Boogie Woogie, and the chorus is, does anybody around here want to do the Boogie Woogie? What the is the Boogie Woogie? The Boogie Woogie sounds like a disease you get in like a foreign country. I'm making a 3-hour live trying to justify why he ain't popped off on the internet. It ain't for you, fool. You have a song called Boogie Woogie. Just cut the lie and tell everybody you caught Boogie Woogie virus. And vocals are f***ed up forever. I'll never forget the first line that came out of that guy's mouth. I really forgot his name. I really don't know nothing about these. I'm just like, yo, look at these creatures. They look, they act, and they are just the whole existence of the that lived next door to what's his name, Andy on Toy Story. You know, when like the baby head that's like Buzz with one eyeball comes out with like a mechanical spider body, and you got you got Barbie legs connected to a fishing pole. That's that country rap group over there. Look at them. So dung in the backyard of Sid's house, crawled out of a big pile of oil filters, snorting scuffed beans, yelling, "We need more monkeys!" You don't need any more. You need to figure out what you want first, all right? I told him, I said, yo, y'all need to just, like, go on. You ain't good at, like, being funny. The music stuff, you can work on it if you ever, like, go work on it. You know what I mean? Like, y'all keep this up. Old Diesel Dung she really gonna be country. She gonna be the little old lady that lives in a shoe. No wonder I only can find one left boot this morning. What the I mean, I've evicted people out of houses. It is what it is. But I ain't never evicted nobody out of my left boot. That's going to be new. Now, is it technically new boot goofing? Probably not. But these are definitely goofy. I mean, look at, what's his name? Jesus, here we go. I don't even remember his name. I've been metal detecting and being a dad lately. Let me think for a minute. It's like Sparky Hustle Dunk or something like that. The guy that has a condom on his head still. The same condom he was conceived with. It's like surgically stuck to his fucking head like Joe Dirt's mullet. Like, there ain't no hate or animosity toward these people. I really don't know much about them anymore, but, you know, they are worthy of, like, being observed. I mean, I wouldn't call them artists. I'd call them probably like specimens or something. You can observe and watch what they do because it's interesting, but just don't, like, let them chew on your porch or nothing. I'm trying to insult me? You got a better chance of drilling to the middle of the earth, dog. What you got? Oh, look at his double chin. Yeah, look at his double platinum. Look, all you gotta do is practice. Are you scared to practice, Randy? Do you even practice, Randy? Look at his cracked tooth. Yeah. Look at these cracked skills, dog. Where's y'all shit at, dude? Make the music for the people. I know after that thing I posted last night and all these albums finna come out. Oh, Adam was in the mirror last night. Oh. Looking underneath the door, making sure nobody's coming. Oh. No, dude, I ain't doing it. Oh. In his head, he's like, I'm doing practicing, dog. I'm a big practicer. Big practicer. Practices all the time. That's all he does is doing practicing. You Macho Man Randy practice. For real. The little dude sitting in a little truck doing little videos. What you doing, just sitting in the truck? When are you waking? Well, you see, Adam, out here in the South, when you're doing working and you become the boss, then you just sit in Denali's and just look around and say, let me make a call. I'm gonna smoke this cigar real quick. You don't know about contractors. And guess what? I just did some contractors. I pulled over on the side of the road and I called my brother, the other boss. I said, hey, we'll come doing picking up my Denaliism. He said, yeah, what are you doing? I said, hey, I found a dad wagon. I got a dad wagon. It's only like $5,000. So I pulled over and got a dad wagon. Look at this luxurious, nostalgic ass. We're finna go Gatlinburg and ride a dangerous wooden roller coaster. I mean, dude, come on. Look at this dash, dude. Yeah. It's like candy-coated gun stock right there. You ever seen that? Of course not. You have now. Got the Mountain Dew. Got the fucking... the switches even work. Well, the lights work and everything. Dude, don't make me do it. I'll put my fishing stuff in this mug. Make fishing pole mounts. I'm gonna put a little TV right here, get rid of this one. I think this one came out when Buzz Aldrin was young. Alan Jackson probably had one of these. I mean, look at all the wood. He definitely had one during his prime. I mean, look how much Chattahoochee coochie can fit in this thing. Is that what I'm using it for? Hell no. These motherfuckers gonna smell like diapers and they're gonna be suckers stuck to the carpet because Blaine at the bank keeps giving my kids suckers. Spend the rest of the day with my girls. Hey, baby.
Hi.
What are you doing? How's your day?
Not bad. Whose van is that?
Whose van?
Yeah, whose van is that?
It's Austin's. Ashley, Austin bought a van.